Hi kids! So today let's play with Lego Creator 3-in-1 game set. So in this we'll be able to play with a camera, a television and a video camera. So we'll be building a camera first, then a television and then a video camera. So let's quickly open the box, bring out all the items, assemble them and start playing. So here we have instructions book. So this is the instruction book for making a television. So we'll be building our Lego toys. With the help of all those bricks, we'll be building a TV, a video camera. So all the instructions for video camera are given in this book, step by step. And then the third book with the instructions of camera. With all the step-by-step process, we'll be able to build the camera. So let's open all these bricks and start building the game and different toys. So we'll start with the camera first. Let's use all these items and start building the camera first. So let's start building. So our camera is ready now. It is assembled. Now let's put the roll here and close it gently. So our camera is ready. We have more films here. So this looks like a real camera. So our camera is ready. We'll meet in a new video with a new game. Till then, bye.